sort of came up with this. We sort of had our own ideas and we sort of combined them, and we came up with this walker idea.
It helps remind them to keep their hips square when they're turning, or if they're too far away from the walker, or if they're too close to the walker, it can affect their balance and their mobility while using the walker. So it really helps them remind them to keep their hips square while doing a turn, or to keep the right distance away from the walker.
We've entered it in the Global Innovation Award, so hopefully we will, if we win, we'll get a patent for it, and hopefully we'll go even further with this idea and make it real.
The project that they worked on was for mobility and balance, and they actually came up with the project themselves. I mean, in terms of they listened to incorporated the information they learned about balance and watched the videos from Dr. Steve Rubinovich in terms of how seniors were falling, and they learned about, well, how balance is controlled. And then they were playing with the walker that we had picked up from Value Village, so that they could have to see, well, what does that mean? How do you actually use a walker? And they learned about the ultrasonic sensor. You know what? And they just said, we could program, and we were fortunate enough to have an extra NXT block. They said, well, let's just try that.
And there's something for everybody in this program in terms of, even if you're not strong going in with technology, you will be by the time, based on the teamwork ethic, by the end of it, and everything you bring in, whether you're really good at script writing or you have that sort of fun t-shirt design thing, you will learn everything by the time you leave this program. So yes, this is something we'd love and we know people want in their schools and in their communities.
I always wanted to do something in the sciences. I always believe that they're fun and interesting.
It's exciting for me because we're at the point that the students that we see here today in 10 years could be my engineers and technicians in the plant. So getting people enthused in technology in the 8 to 12 year range is exciting.
Learn about robots, programming, and working in a team. And the project, it's really fun to learn about a topic that you haven't explored yet. You learn a lot of new things, and you have fun doing it.
Really recommend this program. It really helps students in their science and math.
I'm grade 11. I actually recommend this program to anyone. It's really fun. You learn a lot of different new things.
I've been in robotics before, and I thought, why not? I was in pre-cal, and Mr. Command told us about it, and I thought, it's a good idea because I've always thought about going in sciences, but it's good to broaden your ideas.
We became even more closer friends as we began more programming, more building. I think it was a great experience which helped us all.
It helps you a lot, first of all in school, because you really increase your math skills, and the programming is just so fun and interesting, and it also really helps you meet new people at this competition especially. There's just so many people that you become friends with, and it's just so fun.
We had challenges, of course, with the robot and programming, but together as a team we kind of were able to say, let's try this, and well, this doesn't work, so now let's try somebody else's idea.
The three of us had a really good time with this, and I think, we've been driving the robot around the school, and a lot of people are kind of like, hey, what's going on with that? So I think we're starting to get a little bit of buzz around it, so we'll see if it can grow next year.
Always loved to do science, and I just think that you can always come up with new and interesting ways to make society better with your new creations.